they're making mistakes like this, we should allow you to change it fast, correct it fast. Those are the things. But ideally, at some point in time, you should take a goal in next 60 days or 90 days. This should ideally become zero. I mean, that's the ideal state.
Most of the cases actually one customer on the one shipment is delivered but actually it is not the need for the users.
Okay.
He would have not realized also, he would have been part of the opposite. Two wrong updates happened. He went to peaceful. Not only when he has chosen the evening, the cash is closed.
మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు ఏం బ్రాంచ్
Because he has
కరీంనా
told COD and he was asking COD the wrong.
I think it's the I think right now to answer काफी different ways में दे सकते हैं, but we will reserve our comment on that. I think so because there are too many things to I think cross check. I think we will take your point. Let's see that how we can manage and give you proper answer on that.
Corner case, no? This cannot become the
When it is come to the franchisee, they are getting the amount is holding for the
That's what it is. So, how many people is more than 5% in daily?
एक मोबाइल का काम अपडेट किया The problem is not there is a problem taking also because they don't have extra employees, right? We in car and in the our employees we have ESI clearance and everything. Our service is not that bad. They actually in the later global locations, right? Either they pay 78 grand, or they pay per packet 10 to 12. So the churn is very very high. So the delivery cost keep changing month after. In which case the training is reset every 1-2 months for all of them. Right? They have only 2 delivery points.
मुझे Suresh, I will say here like why these things are happening and why not in Inca. I think there are two things. First thing is the people who are working with us, right, on a daily basis are the same, right? But in your franchisee network, every day आज सुरेश जा रहा है कल गौरव जा रहा है. So that is what the exact problem because you are not doing the daily training to those guys because your team is changing every day, right? That is the first part. So training, I am not sure that whether you can do a group of training of those people. First thing, right? Second thing is like if the people are doing the wrong operation, right? Then again it will. So I can say intention or intentionally, depending on the training part. But still, like doing like what you mentioned a term as fake update, right? So anyways, if you mention undelivered, delivered, undelivered, anyways it will tag as fake update, right? Because customer is not satisfied according to the data that he has seen. So I think this should be solved better on the ground in spite of changing the status. Why I am saying that if I open that window that there is a window of 5 minutes that you start changing your statuses, right? I am just a little bit blunt on that, right? Then maybe any day, right, at any given time, you start doing the stuff what you want, right, which you don't want. My system is not the last mile system, right? And it's like, if you do any activity on the ground, it hits my source. It means everything, the payout, the process flows, everything is getting dead, right, in terms of the locking, right? If you start changing those, my system will start loading all the statuses again and again, it will burst. So I still say that these are the solutions which we want you to drive on the ground. Yes, exceptions will be there. Nobody is 100%. That should be solved in a month, not on a daily basis. That is what my request. I think we are doing that as an exception for you, but in a monthly basis, on a monthly basis, not on a daily basis.
I am asking, if you have the same problem, what you are doing?
So what we are doing, right, on a daily basis, so again we follow the same monthly reconciliation cycle. What we do on a daily basis, right, if somebody do a wrong tagging, intentionally again, right, the same status will go under fake attempt.
What you are doing?
फेक अटेम्प्ट में आ जाता है ना,
Using made wrong.
रॉन्ग अटेम्प्ट हुआ ना,
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Think about
फेक अटेम्प्ट हुआ ना, फेक अटेम्प्ट हुआ. सो व्हाट विष्णु टीम विल डू हियर, he will start seeing कि किस हब के अंदर ये फेक अपडेट हुआ, राइट. देन he will go to a delivery boy name कि किस डिलीवरी बॉय ने ये किया. My hub in charge, right, will ask him कि why you have done this, right. He will say yes intentionally हुआ, कोई बोलेगा नहीं intentionally हुआ. What hub in charge will do in the next day, right? There is a morning huddle in the in e-cart we have seen, right. They start training those delivery boys that next time once this situation came, the confusion that you are talking about on the run sheet, right, they will train those delivery boys next day so that he will not repeat the things. That is what the training part that I am talking about. Second thing is about the status change now. The status will still remain same. Then it will go as a sections to the central reports.
How far it will,
So there is a different threads. So there are different threads for the partners like you. We are maintaining 15 days test. Every 15 days, whatever sections are there, we are changing those. And you will see that I think if you
you will change it
in 15
We'll
days,
change it, yes.
within 15 days, I'm saying.
That means
Yeah.
in 15 days you are reset the status.
Yes.
Are declaring debit to the client. That means to the franchise.
So you are saying, for example, you mentioned delivered, right? If this is a COD shipment, then we are asking that paisa to you from you, right? So if you are